Money counts. Money means coins and bills. So they didn't label them, but the coins are the things that are a copper color, kind of a brownish color, and silver, and the bills are the things that have 100, 50, 20, 10, 5, 2, and 1. You don't see a $2 bill very often, but they have one there. You buy things with money. So that little cent sign means cents, and the dollar sign means dollar. You'll see that for cents, you'll see it after the number. For dollars, you usually see it before the number. Work earns money. So here in this picture, he's got a lemonade stand, and that's how he's making money. Each kind of money has a name. So on the left, you see the copper color coin is called a penny. Then you have a nickel, then a dime, then a quarter, and then a half dollar. Half dollars aren't used very often. Then on the right, on page 7, you have the dollar bill. 1 penny equals 1 cent. 1 nickel equals 5 cents. 1 dime equals 10 cents. 1 quarter equals 25 cents. 1 half dollar equals 50 cents. And $1 is equal to 100 cents. How much money do you have? So what I would do is start with the nickel, which is a silver coin, because that's 5, and then count on 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there you have 10 cents, and you could trade that in for a dime, because a dime is worth 10 cents. Below that, you have 2 dimes and some pennies. So I would count by tens, because remember, dimes are worth 10 cents. 10, 20, then I count my pennies. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So that is 25 cents. Then I'm going to go below that, and you have 2 dimes and 1 nickel. I'm going to start with the dimes because they're worth more. Count by tens, 10, 20, since I have 2 of them, and then 5 more cents is 25. On page 13, you see the rows of dimes there. Can you make $1 with coins? So if I look at my dimes at the top, I'm going to count by 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That's 100 cents. And if you remember on the other page, 100 cents is worth $1. Now we're going to go to our quarters. Now this is a little bit harder. These are worth 25 cents, so you probably need pencil and paper to add these up. But because I'm an adult, I do know that 4 quarters is the same as 100 cents, which is equal to $1. And then 2 half dollars is 50 cents and 50 cents. So when I add those together, I also get $1 or 100 cents. How much for 2 candies? So if the candies are 5 cents each, then I'm going to need 2 nickels or a dime, 5, 10. 2 nickels is equal to 1 dime, and both are equal to 10 cents. And they show that there in the picture. I have a quarter. That's too much. You get change. So if I took my quarter to go buy that candy, that's 25 cents is what a quarter is worth. And I'm taking away 10 because I've got to give them 10 cents to buy the candy, which leaves me with 15 cents. So the little boy's saying, I got my candy and a dime and nickel back in change. On page 18, I'll buy a toy. Is this enough? So each one costs 75 cents. So he has 1 quarter that is 25 cents. So he's going to need more money because all I have to think about is 75 more than 25? And that is, which means I don't have enough money to buy that toy. On page 20, this is more than enough. I will get change. So that same 75-cent toy, he's got a whole dollar. Now remember, $1 is worth 100 cents, which is more than 75. So he's going to get some change back. And he's going to get 25 cents, which is the same as 1/4. What can I buy with my change? He has a quarter, and remember those candies are 5 cents each. So if I count by fives, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So there's 5, I counted by fives 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is the same as 25 cents. That's how many pieces of candy he can get.